Why financial education is key to unlocking wealth. Welcome back to our channel, Empowering Your Finance. Today, we're exploring a vital topic that can revolutionize your financial future. Why financial education is key to unlocking wealth. Stay tuned if you're ready to take charge of your finances, build lasting wealth, and secure your financial future. Understanding financial education. So, what exactly is financial education? It's the knowledge and skills required to make informed and effective decisions regarding your financial resources. This includes understanding budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. The importance of financial education. Financial education is vital because it empowers you to make better financial decisions. It helps you avoid common pitfalls like high-interest debt and impulsive spending. By being financially literate, you can plan for the future, achieve your financial goals, and attain financial independence. Benefits of financial education. 1. Improved financial stability. With financial knowledge, you can create a solid financial plan that ensures stability and growth. 2. Reduced financial stress. Understanding your finances reduces stress and anxiety, giving you peace of mind. 3. Better investment decisions. Knowledge investors make more intelligent choices, leading to better returns and wealth accumulation. 4. Increased opportunities. Financial education opens doors to opportunities you might otherwise miss, such as starting a business or investing in real estate. How to improve your financial education. 1. Read books and articles. There are countless resources available that cover every aspect of personal finance. 2. Take online courses. Many platforms offer courses that help you learn independently. 3. Follow financial experts. Learn from those who have successfully managed their finances and share their knowledge. 4. Join financial communities. Engage with others on a journey to improve their financial literacy. Conclusion. Financial education is more than just numbers. It's the key to unlocking your wealth potential. By acquiring financial knowledge, you can make well-informed decisions, alleviate stress, and seize opportunities for a prosperous future. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content on financial empowerment. See you in the next video.